Welcome to the installation guide and video for FoxRadar. Today I will show you within the next 5 minutes how easy it is to set up your FoxRadar. You simply need 3 things. You do need FoxRadar, as well as a yardstick and your smartphone. Please ensure that the OilFox app is already downloaded on your smartphone. For the FoxRadar installation on your tank, we have 2 different options. We have the option to use existing openings, or in the event that you do not have an opening but a plastic tank, please use the glue mounting option. We will do this and I will show you how to do it. Please use the provided alcohol wipe from Fox Insights to clean your tank. Make sure it is definitely clean to ensure a permanent installation of FoxRadar on your tank. Therefore, use the glue kit. Please just take the sticky tape off and directly mount the frame onto your tank. There is a sign called front, please put that to the front. Make sure it is leveled out, that you have a vertical level towards the oil level. Once the frame is set on, please just put FoxRadar into the frame and ensure that you fix it properly with the according rubber band. Now it is fixed. In the case that you have a bonded tank, you can either put it on the outer tank skin or on the inner tank skin. The only difference is, if you do put it on the outer tank skin, you have to choose it when you separate it, when you set it up in the app. You have to directly put it as a distance, but I'll show you how. As a next step, you will take your OilFox app and connect the FoxRadar with your app. Therefore, simply push the button until the LED lights turn on, and then ensure to go to your OilFox app and follow every single step through the app. We directly guide you through it, so no worries, you'll be fine. As a first thing, we'll try to connect with mobile connectivity. So this is done automatically by FoxRadar, and it will try to connect to any connectivity out there. Once it is connected, you'll have a successfully installed screen on your app. As a next step, please ensure or choose your tank manufacturer as well as your tank form or tank type from the tank in your garden. Once you've done this, we'll directly give you a measurement of what is in your tank. The only thing that you have to enter is the distance between FoxRadar and the tank. Now in my case this is 0 centimeter, but again, if you have a bonded tank, please ensure to measure the distance between the outer and the inner skin with a yardstick and simply put the distance into the app. If you do not know your tank manufacturer, which is usually listed somewhere on your tank, you can also go via a traditional calibration of your tank. So simply put in the tank height, which is 144 in my case, as well as the total volume, which is 750 liters in my case. So once I'm doing this and put the distance of 0 centimeters, my app directly shows me that I have 21% in this tank left. And to double check this, please conduct a manual metering with your yardstick just to ensure that everything went well throughout the installation. In case that you do not want to use the glue option but have an existing thread, for example on steel tanks, because we cannot measure through steel with the radar but only through plastic and fiberglass. So in case you have a steel tank or an existing thread of 1 1/4, 1 1/2 and 2 inch, please use the screw adapter. Therefore, simply put in these 3 Phillips screws, as well as ensure there is another little circle in there. Please ensure to also put it in. Once this is done, the installation is simply the same. The only difference is you would screw it in onto an existing opening. Now it's up to you. Enjoy using FoxRadar data and overlooking your diesel, heating oil or lubricant level.